In this video, we will show you how to use green screen background on OBS Studio. When you are using webcam and you have a green background, you can easily remove the background so the only your body is showing on the OBS Studio. How to do that? First example, if we add webcam in here, okay, I'm using filter also. If we add webcam or video capture device and click OK, okay, this is my body and this is my green screen background. When you click OK in here, okay, you can see there is annoying green screen in here. To remove this, it's very easy on OBS Studio. Okay, you can just right click on the video capture device and select filters. After that, you can add the filters by clicking plus button here and select chroma key. After that, click OK. Now, only your body is showing on the OBS Studio. So, the green background is not disturbing your screen again. You can just resize your body like this. Okay? And that's all tutorial how you can remove green screen background on the OBS Studio. And it's very helpful if you have removed green screen background like this for streaming or for record video. Thanks for watching.